because enthalpy is nothing but the complete energy, right? So if you are not supplying any heat in the tube, but only friction is there, right? So because of friction, your energy will not change. Behavior of flow will change. Energy will not change. And whatever energy will be there, that will be inside the tube only. So that is the reason your T naught will not change. So T naught will be constant. Fill the blank here as constant. What about P naught? P naught will decrease for sure. And what is the logic? Irreversibility. This is what we have done in normal shock wave. Okay. So fill this column. Now let's do the second column. What about supersonic flow? Then again, you can see supersonic flow will grow in this direction. You see, come and see the graph. In the graph, you see supersonic flow will grow in this direction. So grow in the sense your supersonic Mach number will decrease and become 1. So in that case, we can clearly understand that Mach is decreasing. Guys, here you just add one more column. I have forgot to add. Mach column also you add. Mach column. And in this case, you just say that Mach is increasing. And in this case, your Mach will decrease. For supersonic case, already I felt that this is decreasing. Now what about your static properties? Now I'll ask to the boys. Saurav, हाँ बताओ, प्रेशर के साथ क्या होगा? स्टैटिक प्रेशर के साथ क्या होगा? व्हाट विल हैपन विद द स्टैटिक प्रेशर इन केस ऑफ सुपरसोनिक फ्लो? इट विल डिक्रीज. लॉजिक, हाउ कैन यू से इट विल डिक्रीज? हाँ, मोर फ्रिक्शन विल बी देयर. सो तो सबसोनिक में भी है, वो तो सबसोनिक में भी है. Wait. Others don't reply. Just wait. I will ask everyone's name one by one. Okay, so Saurav, you are not able to explain properly. No problem. Very good try. Logesh. What about pressure? Logic. Static. Wow, normal pressure. What is normal pressure? Anyway, just kidding. Go ahead with the static pressure. So what is your answer? Okay. So you are passing GATE exam, no problem. Pratik? No idea? Okay, then I will explain now. See guys. Supersonic flow is losing Mach number, right? It means what? Losing velocity. So when velocity decreases, pressure increases. Guys, all the three properties will increase, right? This is what is happening. Yeah, of course, all the three properties will increase. And what about velocity? Of course, velocity will decrease, man. Now come to this T naught point. Now come to the T naught point. Let me see. Let me ask. I think I will get the wrong answer. Let me ask with the Prachi. Prachi? प्राची बताओ. हाँ बताइए वो T naught क्या होगा? बढ़ेगा या घटेगा? I'm asking about T naught. Sorry, I'm asking about T naught. T naught will increase or decrease, Prachi? It should increase. You are saying it should increase. Okay, very good try. Prachi is saying it will increase. Constant. No, Vedant, you don't reply. Just wait. I have to ask some students and I have to know their logic. सूरज से क्या पूछूं, वो तो बता ही देगा. तारेश बता देगा. और ध्यानेश, यू ट्राई. ध्यानेश, एम आई ऑडिबल? हाँ, यू ट्राई अबाउट T naught. Okay. Taresh, can you give the right answer with the right logic, with the concept? हाँ, वेरी गुड प्राची, वेरी गुड, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. तारेश. हाँ तारेश बोलो, सुनाई दे रहा है. हाँ, वेरी गुड, दैट्स ऑल, इनफ, सुपर. So our T naught will neither increase nor decrease. So it will be constant. Because guys, we are not having energy transfer, na? That's why T naught is constant. What about total pressure? Now this is very tricky. Yes, Lokesh, you are right. हाँ तारेश बोलो, बोलो तारेश, बोलो बोलो, खुशी से बोलो. हाँ लॉजिक है, बताओ बताओ. ठीक है. ओके ओके लोकेश, जस्ट 1 minute, लेट हिम फिनिश. हाँ. हम्म. सब सोनिक पे आ रहे हैं. हाँ ठीक है. हाँ सोनिक पे आ रहे हैं, सोनिक पे आ रहे हैं, सोनिक पे आ रहे हैं, सब सोनिक पे नहीं आ रहे हैं. हाँ सोनिक पे आ रहे हैं. हाँ तुम राजस्थान से हो ना? ओ टाइम अप.